Compatible with Ford Ranger fog light housing. SAE-compliant road legal output. Advanced TIR optics provide high efficiency and focus. Plug and play, no modification needed. Designed and assembled in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Super bright and great fit. These lights are awesome. Well worth the money. Built really solid and super bright. The yellow is great for dark back roads. Field of view for the yellow fogs is super wide. Lights up fields and ditches off to the side. Install was straightforward and came with really good hardware. Kit for 2021 Ford Ranger fit perfect. Way brighter than the factory LED fog lights.